You know, sometimes I'm embarrassed at how long I stay away from YouTube, knowing damn well I miss y'all. I miss all of this. I miss recording. I miss doing my hair. I miss all of that. So today I am here with another hair video. You already know. And this is from CurlsQueen. I actually have some hair left, which I am very surprised. This is 2 bundles. Well, this is, I guess, 1.5 bundles, because I still have all of this left. I could have put it in there somewhere, but because my hair is thin on top, I didn't want to add too many bundles and make it look unnatural. CurlsQueen also sends you some goodies with your package. I got this paddle brush that I actually really enjoyed using. These little pink baggies I always save for when I'm traveling. And then this drawstring bonnet that I have not stopped wearing since I got it. And then this is the hair, y'all, that is also packaged in a pink drawstring silk bag. This is 2 bundles of Light Yaki hair. This is their luxurious upgrade, 150 grams, 5.3 ounces per bundle. Also, the curling iron that I'm using isn't the best. I thought I was buying a 2-in-1, and it just sucks curling with this. Like, I'm not getting rid of these little ridges here, but I got to go. Today is actually voting day, you know, so I got to go. But this is the hair, guys. It is from CurlsQueen. This is my first time doing a quick weave. It was so easy. It was so easy. First, I was really nervous. I was really nervous because I have a pixie cut now, and I was wondering, like, why am I recording something I've never done before? But it was super easy, y'all. Check me out. Ooh, I can't believe it. I'm ready to go outside, except for these little ridges here that I can't get out with the curling iron or the straightening that I bought. But anyways, I missed you all so much. Your girl is back. I'm also in college, but just taking up a lot of my time, guys. I'm in an MA program. I'll tell you all about that, and I will see you all next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Big shout out to CurlsQueen. Bye. Why, hello. First things first, let's oil our scalp, because my scalp, like, why I don't have more edges? I know exactly why, but you know, I miss my edges. Like, all jokes aside, when I was younger, for real, my mama gave me a perm, and you know the rest. Like, that's a true story, for real. But I did beg my mama for that perm. Anyways, so first we are going to part our hair for this style. This is not me teaching you how to do it. This is me doing it for the first time. And if you learn anything, you know, let me know. Let me know if you would do this technique, which, anyways, let's jump into it. So I'm doing a side part because I don't have enough hair in the middle. This is the only part of my head that I could find enough hair that I could possibly cover the tracks. And you're going to have to stay tuned to find out if I covered the tracks. But also keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my ish. Anyways, so I took some Got2b glue hairspray and I put that all over my hair, and then I'm going to blow dry it. I bought this product from the beauty supply store because all the other girls on YouTube were using this shield product with a black cap. So I also bought a black cap because I usually have brown, but the girls were using black, so I also got black. And I put that on, and then I cut the earlobes out, and you want to like pull it over your ear so that way the cap is as tight as possible. And I'm gonna do this messy. Mind you, I have all the ingredients, the products that I need to do this, but I was being a little lazy. Okay, I definitely suggest that you pour that liquid into a bowl and then use it that way. It's it's less messy. However, I did not make a mess at all, but for future, I will just do it that way because I almost made a mess. And then I did take that brush right there. That helped a lot. And afterwards, I sat under the dryer. I also blow dried the bundles because I did wash them. I mean, I let it air dry, but then it wasn't dry yet by the time I wanted to use it. So I blow dried the rest of it dry. And then let's get to work. You're going to take some hair glue, put that on your bundles. You know what it is. You know, this is old school. We've done this. We know this. And then you're just going to follow the pattern. Just stick the hair to the cap. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Clairmoy. And I'm going to show you all like the entire process because it is extremely easy. You just need to have patience with yourself. I think that's a lot of our problem is that whenever we start something, we want to be good at it right away. We don't have patience with ourselves. So be patient when you are doing your own hair, doing your own makeup, and that's really how you're going to learn. You can't rush the process, baby. Another thing is never try a new hairstyle or something new if you don't have a lot of time. Like, don't try something new for the first time if you got to leave the house in 2 hours. You understand what I'm saying? I also blow dried not every track, but most of the tracks I blow dried after I put it onto my cap. It helped it dry faster and makes it more secure. That's what I remember from back in the day, y'all. And now I am on my second bundle, y'all. These bundles are thick and you only need 2. OMG. When the company told me that they were sending me 2 bundles, I was like, baby, I wear 4. But I trusted them when they said that you only need 2 bundles. And they are absolutely right because I still had bundle left. I had like a little bit less than half of a bundle left, okay? When I got closer to where my hair was going to be left out, I did cut the track in half. Not half, but I split the track so it would be thinner there. That way my hair would flow with it better. It wouldn't be like a big hump right there. So I split the track to make it thinner. And now I'm nervous, yeah. I'm nervous because I'm about to separate the cap. And I was nervous that the whole thing was just going to slide off because this is the first time I did this. I thought the whole cap was just going to separate and slide off. And I done did all this work for nothing. But it didn't. It didn't. And I was like, what? I could definitely do this again. Oh, my goodness. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. And I'm really upset that I don't have strong, thick hair because this would be me. I would not do a sew-in ever again. I would only do quick weaves. They're super easy and really, really flat. I don't think you can get a sew-in this flat. But sew-ins do last longer, so, you know. So now I'm just going away. Now I'm just going along the hairline and gluing the tracks. I split this track as well because I need it to be flat because I know how my hair is. I know how my real hair is. So I don't need nothing that's going to look bulky right there because my hair is not going to cover it. You feel me? And then I did this method by this girl named Lauricia. I might be saying her name wrong, but I'll leave her name right here. She did the invisible part because she also has thin hair. So she did the invisible part by the last track. Oh my God, that made a difference. I used to do invisible part back in the day too, but not with any leaf out. So this invisible part with thin hair made all the difference because there is no track. It was so good. Big shout out to her. Genius, hair genius. It was so good. And it really helped me cover any tracks right there. And I went in with the Got To Be glue. Don't spray too much. It is right here because it does turn white. So be careful with that. Then I just blow dried it down for more security. I'm cutting the wig cap a little bit more. I mean, not a little bit more. I'm cutting the wig cap off and it is not sliding. This thing is secure. Woo! Look at me, baby. Stop it. And now, finally, is the fun part. I get to style the hair. This is my favorite. Absolutely love styling my own hair. No, I do not like doing other people's hair. I really don't. Like, I wish people would stop asking me because I don't like it. Plus, my fingers start to hurt. My lower back starts to hurt. I don't like it. If I wanted to do other people's hair, honestly, I would have became a hairstylist. But I didn't. I strayed away from that. Anyways, So now we're gonna part my hair. Yes, we're gonna part my little bit of pixie cut. And let me tell you something. The only way you're gonna lay this down flat is with some mousse. So grab you some mousse and start to mold down your hair. And this makes all the difference. You hear me? All the difference. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking right now, and I'm gonna let you all check out the rest of the video, and then I'm gonna come back where I feel like I should say something. I can't sit under the dryer because I'm in class.
Preliminary.
I could not stay away too long because I had to talk about topics. Topics is a lifesaver. You hear me? This really helped me cover those tracks. You saw Christina helping me because I couldn't do it on my own. It really helped me cover those tracks. And then I took some of this black hairspray, and baby, you could not see a track at all with this technique, okay? But topics, honestly, if you are a thin hair girl like myself, oh, now Christina's helping me. If you are a thin hair girl like myself, you're going to want to get you some of that, okay? Because it really helped your girl out. Look at that. Yeah. I'm going to use a little bit more on my edges. And then we're pretty much done. You can leave your hair just like this, but I am going to curl it some. And I'm going to cut it a little bit, give myself some layers. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Big shout out to CurlsQueen. Got me feeling like a beautiful black woman like I am. And I'll see you all next time. You already know all the information for this hair will be in the description box. I'm about to get on the escalator, so it's gonna get loud. I'm in school. I just left class. I look cute today. Hold on. So I wanted to do a video with me wearing the hair out my heels. I'm walking too hard. I wanted to make a video with me wearing my hair outside of my videos, because that's all you see. All you see is wearing our hair in the video, and it might look like we don't wear our hair outside of the video, but I do. Unfortunately, I can't do my hair like this often because I just do not have enough edges, y'all. Hold on.